like this. Hi, welcome back here. I have watched for your supporting us today. You will? Okay! To all for your free lifestyle shows every weekend. Can you see it? Yes! What's up time? Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to get started. Now it's so happy to see you. Is it watching? Are you having friends watching with us? Okay. And also are you guys ready? Yeah! IBC13, here comes this for the newest lifestyle show. It's What's Up Filipinas! Yay! So remember friends, don't change the channel. No creepy stuffs out there. No suicides. No fairy nightmares. No watching with other killing succeeding, and me this watching. Yay! So remember friends, have you guys ready? And we are about to get started. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for the beginning of episode of What's Up Filipinas. But now it's time to get some happy moments. So remember friends, let the show begin. Yay!